This is the indoor PCB of a mini-split air conditioner, and I will tell you how to fix F4 and F6 errors. I have set up the entire system to explain it to you all. You can see that the power supply is also connected, and the entire system is attached to the outdoor circuit. I have opened this circuit so that I can explain the reasons behind the errors and why they occur. The first error code we will discuss is F4. So let's turn on the unit and see why this error occurs. I will turn it on, pass the electricity, and the unit is currently set to 16 degrees. Now I will wait for a moment for the error to appear. Look, the F4 error is now displayed on the screen. This means that the discharge pipe sensor of your outdoor unit is faulty. It could be due to a short circuit in the sensor. If the fault persists even after replacing the sensor, it indicates an issue in the outdoor PCB circuit. In this case, you will either need to repair the PCB or replace it. The next error code we will discuss is F6. As you can see, the F6 error is now displayed on the screen. This indicates that the exhaust pipe temperature sensor or the condenser pipe sensor in your outdoor unit is faulty. It could be due to a malfunction or a short circuit in the sensor. If the fault persists even after replacing the sensor, it means there is an issue with the outdoor PCB. In this case, you will need to either repair the PCB or replace it. Click on the left or right thumbnail to watch our next videos and subscribe. Thank you.